sorry. I'm not used to speaking Tagalog. Okay, sana magkita-kita na ulit tayo. Tapos kain tayo sa Max. And with halo-halo and crispy pata and everything that we have enjoyed before. Sana malapit na. Okay? See you soon.
I miss you.
Hi guys, today I'm going to Max restaurant for to try Filipino food. It's a chain of restaurants that's famous in Philippines. And I bring my Filipino friend along. So this is Samantha and this is Janelle.
Hi.
So Max is located at Far East Plaza.
When you go to a Max's restaurant in the Philippines, if you order this drink, they usually come bottomless, and it's basically, I think, some vanilla in the drink and sago and gulaman. You know what is sago, right?
Yes, sago. You know.
Yeah, you know what sago. And
Well,
the gulaman is a jelly.
Oh, jelly. So,
Yeah.
what's the flavor of the jelly?
I forgot already. You should try it.
Okay.
It's quite nice.
Do we stir it or we just drink
Yeah.
it? So we stir first.
It's something like boba. But it's not the what do you call that one? The pearl boba. Yeah.
But this
That
is
one is
sago.
made of that one is
tapioca.
made of tapioca. This
Yeah.
one is not. It's a
Okay,
regular
let's
sago.
try.
Vanilla, right?
It tastes like chin chow. Chinese drink chin chow.
Grass jelly.
Yeah, it tastes like grass jelly.
And also we have the Lechon Kawali, we call it. Our pork belly, it's a known pork belly in English. Also have the one Canton. Your noodles comes with the mix up with the shrimp and pork stuffing. I can enjoy using the lime on the side. This kare, you can try to
You have to eat it with the bago.
yeah, shrimp with shrimp paste. This one is a Lechon Kawali sauce. We got mango mass and banana ketchup on it.
Ah, so that's how banana ketchup is used.
Yeah, that's the way I mean our tradition.
Oh, yes.
So I hope you will want to try and enjoy it.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Bong, sir. Bong. Yeah.
Kuya Bo.
Okay, enjoy.
Thank you.
Hope you like it.
Told ya.
specialty crispy prata.
You cannot eat in Max's without eating this. This is the best.
There's cheese. Oh my goodness, there's cheese.
I think this could be called the national dessert.
Oh my goodness.
It could be, but I mean it's not official.
It's sweet and then the cheese is savory, so it could have a good combination. Oh my, this is like really worth paying for, worth coming to try.
And it's only $6.80.
Yeah, $6.80 for this big portion is very big as compared to other places which we ate. Oh, yeah.
It has makapuno. Wow.
What is that?
Generously gave us one of their Bibingka cheesecake because right now we're having the Christmas season, so this one is actually very traditional food. When you come out from Simbang Gabi, people eat Bibingka in the Philippines.
What is Bibingka?
Bibingka is like a rice cake. So it's a fusion. This one is a cheesecake. So it's a rice cake cheesecake and there's a salted egg at the top. So it's quite interesting.
Let's dig in.
So guys, how you find the food here?
Great, amazing.
Yeah.
What's your best dish?
Sumptuous. The Kare was very good. And of course the crispy pata.
Yeah, crispy pata.
You like the Pancit, right?
Pancit. Yes, but it's not the first choice. First choice will be the dessert.
Okay.
So Janelle, how do you find this Max restaurant as compared to Philippines?
It's quite alright. Because I grew up eating Max's a lot when I was a kid and when I was in the university, and so it brings up a lot of memories with my family and stuff. So being here in Singapore, being away from my family and eating here is like still being with my family again. So, and the food is quite impressive.
Yeah. And they have
like the time didn't change.
Say something to your family in Tagalog.
Uy! I'm lost in Tagalog. Wait. I'm not used to speaking Tagalog. Okay. Sana magkita-kita na ulit tayo. Tapos kain tayo sa Max. And with halo-halo and crispy pata and everything that we have enjoyed before. Sana malapit na. Okay? See you soon.
We miss you.
So guys, we thoroughly enjoyed the Max restaurant, and thank you Max restaurant for inviting me down and to try their festive food, and it was awesome, and thank you and God bless you. And do subscribe to my channel Unconventional Passions, even as I bring you more content, hidden gems in Singapore and exploration in Singapore. Thank you, God bless you.